Did you know that in the medieval period, high foreheads were the ultimate beauty ideal? This woman here would have been considered an absolute beauty. The medieval period considered perfectly oval faces to be the ultimate beauty ideal, and to achieve that effect, women needed to have a forehead that was at least 1/3 the length of their whole face. Women would actually pluck their hairline so that it increased the size of their forehead. Women would also pluck their eyebrows to within an inch of their lives, so it appeared as though their foreheads were even higher or longer than they actually were. And of course, the headdresses that were popular at the time were designed to accentuate that look of the perfect oval, unblemished face. And so in some of these pictures, these women actually appeared to be bald, and it's incredible that that was actually a desired effect. Women would use various products to lighten their hair as well as plucking their hair, anything to remove it from their face.